The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. An unknown entity has been spotted in the city of Fort Wayne, attacking and killing random civilians, destroying buildings, and damaging property in the street, and damaging cars. If you see this creature, you are advised to lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close off fireplaces, and seal any cracks on doors or windows with tape or damp towels. The creature will be revealed soon. Shelter-in-place warning for Hartford. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Hartford Police Department. The creature, now known as the Ravager, has been seen destroying cars, breaking into buildings, killing people, and causing devastation across the city. It will be resembled as a character from Minecraft. All residents of Hartford are advised to shelter in place immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplaces and seal any cracks on doors or windows with tape or damp towels. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Pocatello Police Department. A village raid is currently ongoing in the city of Pocatello. Many swarms of Ravagers are breaking into people's homes, destroying buildings, damaging vehicles, and causing damage across the town. All residents in the city of Pocatello are advised to immediately shelter in place at this time. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Use any armed weapon to defend yourself from the Ravagers. and seal any doors or cracks on doors or windows with tape or damp towels. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Ravagers have been reported in all 50 U.S. states, including Alaska and Hawaii. These ravagers are destroying buildings, damaging vehicles, and causing devastation across all U.S. cities. All residents of the United States are advised to shelter in place immediately. A nationwide shelter in place is in effect for the entire nation. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplaces. And seal any cracks on doors or windows with tape or damp towels. Also, use a weapon to arm yourself. Use an armed weapon to defend yourself from the Ravagers. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WBBB. We will continue to serve the Raleigh metropolitan area. If you're not in this area, tune out to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Raleigh metropolitan area. Do not use your telephone. All telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.
This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Ravagers have been spotted on all countries of the world. These Ravagers are breaking into homes, killing people, and destroying buildings and causing damage. It has been reported that the Ravagers will take over the entire Earth in the next 12 hours. All residents are advised to gather their family members, friends, and animals that wish to feel comfortable and brace for the end. Give pray to higher being or beings and repent. That's John 4:16, and so we know we love God. God is love. Whoever lives with love, who lives with God, and God in them. This station will now sign off for the final time. God bless you all.